Hello, my most amazing artists. Do you see this little cute fish? Let's draw this. But wait a minute. What do you see in that fish? I don't know, but I see a really very hungry little fish. And she's eating a pizza and a donut. And another stripy fish is also having a slice of pizza as a snack. What would you give your fish as a snack? Let's make and draw folding surprise fish. Grab a piece of paper, bring the bottom to the top and match the edges up really well. And then crease. Take that top flat and fold that back down to the bottom and crease. Do not forget to match the edges. Flip your paper over and do the same fold on the other side. Now you have an accordion-shaped paper. Take the back flap, unfold it, and make a massage with your fingers. You're all set. Let's draw with a pencil at first, and then when you're sure, you can trace with a Sharpie. When you're drawing, folding, surprise, anything, you want to make sure top half of your drawing is above the fold and the bottom half is below your fold. I draw a curvy line above my fold and then another curvy line below my fold, and I'm just connecting all the lines together. Then I will draw lips. Half is again on the other side, the other half on the other side. And now I'm gonna make a circle for the eye and another circle in it and another circle in that little circle. Now let's give this little cute fish some scales. Next, to add some more details, first I want to put a fin on top of here. Then I want to add the tail. Top half will be above the fold and the bottom half of the tail will be below the fold. You can add as much as details as you want. Let's add a little fin down the bottom with some wavy lines. I'm gonna add a line curved up to the top to define where the gill starts and the little tiny fin. And I'm gonna add some more details by adding some lines to give some depth. When I open this up, I have two halves of a fish. It just looked like a burger bun. Now we need to fill that in. We will draw a little line from the upper lip to the down and from the lower lip to the up. Just a little bit line, and then we're gonna draw a straight line from left to right, and then we're gonna connect these two lines to make the mouth. Now we need to fill up all the scales from top to down to fill all the space. Then I want to draw the back of the fish from up to down. I'm gonna make a line, and then I'm gonna finish all the tails, repeating the same curvy line from up to down. We can complete the slip lines through that lines, and then we can draw some triangles for the teeth. You can make longer, shorter. This is your fish. Now let's give this little fish some snacks. You are free. You can draw whatever snack you want to give. You can draw a chocolate or many things. You can draw a noodle, marshmallows, whatever you like. I will go for a donut and a slice of pizza. Now let's trace all the lines with a Sharpie or a marker, but I prefer Sharpie because when you use marker, it won't bleed. Let's add some color, baby, color, the element of art. And voila! Cannot wait to see your folding surprise fishes!